What is interactive wall? Have you ever considered how incorporating wall surfaces with features like this, and even this into your project could elicit truly astonishing responses? Okay, let's explore the unexpected display effects that can emerge in various projects. In the realms of gaming and sports, the application of interactive walls is truly diverse. Through clever utilization of various props, users can interact with the projected images on the wall, creating a truly awe-inspiring gaming experience. What adds an extra layer of fun is the ability to skin children's drawings, bringing these imaginative creations to life on the walls and fostering an interactive space full of creativity for the youngsters. Moreover, interactive walls support motion sensing technology, allowing children to engage with the walls through their body movements. Discover exciting interactive wall solutions. Subscribe now for updates on innovative projects and solutions on our channel. Pleater, your interactive experts with 10 years of experience, offering a one-stop solution from design development to installation and implementation.